Can you imagine a place full of memories, history, and a story of its own? Today we step into a unique abandoned home that was once left with a family of three whom resided here. Time passes on as individuals resided until their time was up. My name is John Yurei, and today we step into this old home that was once full of life. What is going on, guys? It's your boy John Yurei. I'm back here to shoot another video. Pretty insane. I mean, take a look over there. That is an actual abandoned car that was collapsed on by that whole house right there. You can definitely tell that this is a really old place. The person that lived here was way back in the time, considering the model of the vehicle. And this place is just left alone to deteriorate with everything left inside. We stepped into the place for a little bit and we've seen so much stuff in there. It's crazy. I'm so shocked. I'm just honestly so ready to explore this. So what happened was the lady that used to live here actually passed away, and after that no one ever came back to like just check on the place. So after she passed away, it's been sitting gone, just rotting away. Wow. But considering the whole history of this, my name is John Yurei. If you guys want to check out my social media pages, it's going to be in the link description below. Seth is recording this right now, so give him a follow. And Ryan and Steve is with me on this Explorer too. This is going to be a really awesome but also a unique one. And don't forget to check out the Yurei brand. Link is in the description below. And if you want to support me on Patreon for all my travels and my work, it will all be there too. So anyway, we are going to begin, and let's step into this. This is interesting. I feel like this must have been straight up a hidden area. I mean, it's definitely a really small room. Flowers everywhere. A lot of flowers all around. This is interesting. And it's just hidden off in its own room. Pretty crazy. I want to bring into perspective, outside of the exploring, outside of a lot of things, but I spoke to someone. That really gave me a lot of value, that really stuck out to me. Especially when it comes to like getting older and starting to just like get past your older age. I mean, without family or without anyone, usually I've noticed is like when you get older, people just tend to start neglecting. Like people start ignoring like the older age people who are just like your local old person who's walking around the street, or the person that you see just walking around. Like, you know, they might greet you, you might say hey, but can you imagine like what's actually going on in their life? Something that really made me stick out is having that sense of just being around other people and being actually noticed. As you start getting older, I've noticed that for a lot of older people, it's they just, it's like as if they don't exist no more. Like, you have you realized that, or have you noticed that most people who are older are usually alone or with other older people, or unless they have a family that, you know, their grandkids for? I don't know. It's just something I've noticed. And I just want just to say, like, maybe that old person you see on your block, or the older person you see just around the elderly, maybe just get say hey, hi, like just greet them, show them that you know you notice them. It's just something that really stuck out to me, something I really want to talk about, especially in this video. And considering that this place was for someone who was elder, can you imagine what it was like before they passed on? Something I'm kind of even scared about when I get into older age. So I don't know. When time comes by, the older you get, the more I begin to fear things. But you gotta take upon these challenges and do as much as you can now. Anyway, let's continue back on. Just look at the drawers of this room really quick. Oh my god. So a lot of old clothing, more older clothing, and a lot of this stuff. Wow. This is so unfortunate. The thing is, this place is just left in the woods too. Like where we are, we're not really close to any cities or anything. So a lot of the place and surroundings of this place is just, there's nothing to it. I'm just imagining the lifestyle that they lived. Could have been bad, could have been good, could have been great. I'm not here to judge. I'm not here to determine. I'm just here to kind of solve things and put puzzles into place. It's interesting though. We're gonna make our way upstairs in a little bit, but I'm getting a lot of shots with this place. I'm really taking my time on this explore. There's a lot. Okay, cover the name.
Yeah, cover the name. Cover the address too. I did 1990.
1990.
Yeah.
So, what information have you found?
We got tax returns over here. They had quite a nice tax return, I'll tell you that. But so this is weird. We got a calendar over here.
Okay.
That says 1986. I didn't check the other one.
Alright, let's go. Let's take a look at this.
1996 on this one.
Oh, snap.
1986, and we got a return right here for 1990. So
Right.
there's like a 10-year gap of just complete.
And with the Polaroids of the people I'm going to actually blur out, this shows that there were 3 people living here prior. So there was a guy and 2 girls.
I didn't even see this before.
Oh,
We got picture there.
snap.
Stove.
Yeah.
Stuff still on it.
Pot. Looks like they're probably steaming something.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool because like we work together when we do these type of explorers, and we just try determining like the previous time of when this place was last active, as in, I guess the last time they were still here. Just putting puzzles together. It's almost like a game. Wow, check this find, guys. Vinyl, old records right here. What is this thing? Looks like a player to something. Oh, it's a cassette player. That's really interesting. And then you examine right here. I think that might be Jesus. I don't know. But wow. Something else. Whoops. I don't want to open up anything. Well, something. Polka. Look at the old clothes, though. I'm gonna make our way upstairs now. I'm really curious. Whoa! Look at this. Whoa! Jars. Oh my god. What the heck? Please, can someone explain this? Like, what is in here? I don't want to look at it. Looks like old fruits or something. I don't know. It could have been some sort of incense. Wow. Even look right there. There's so much stuff here. So much stuff to see. An old shoe. Fairly interesting. Oh my god. Oh, folding table right there. Check this out. Makes me wonder, was this the luxury back in the day? Maybe not, probably not. But look at the bedroom up here. Huh. This is interesting. I'm taking my time with this. So a lot of purses and bags, as you can tell. Super sick. Old picture of someone right here. Fairly interesting. Huh. Wow. Another bed. Look at that blanket though. Oh, shoot. Strange to say that this book was just left here chilling. Someone's letter. I can't read it. I'm not really good at reading cursive. Wow. Look at all the clothes lying on the ground. All that stuff right there as well. So much stuff everywhere. He definitely did a lot of collecting. This is old Christmas things. Surprisingly, Christmas is coming up soon for us too. Can you imagine stepping into the life of a house that's frozen in its time? One whom used to live here, then passed on and left everything behind. It's just hard to take in and understand that this life was previous for this place. But with time, this place had fallen from what it was prior, and everything still remains. Wow. So we're back downstairs. You can tell there were smokers. Marlboro? Yeah. Check this out. Looks like a toolbox. Or, looks like a first aid kit to me. Really interesting. More vinyls. Really awesome. What kind of vinyl is this? Christmas country style. It's pretty cool to know that they were really a part of the Christmas season. Palace. Alright. Oh my god, look at this heater. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it gets really cold when winter season happens. This is a really old clock. Really awesome. Huh. Check this out. A straight up hat chilling right there.
Palace on it.
Let me see. Oh yeah, I remember I was looking at that. Put it up to your face. Let me zoom in on that. Hold on.
Here, I'll backlight it. Give it some.
Palace. Yo, that's sick, dude. That is sick. You ever use a vinyl before?
A what?
A record? You ever like played it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's freaking cool. This is actually a normal record.
No, it's not.
No, this is a super high quality. This came after normal records because if you feel it, it's smooth, not rich.
Right. Oh,
So you
snap.
can fit a lot more songs and a lot more music in it.
Damn, Ryan's an expert. Yeah, I was asking Ryan, what is this person? Which one is he, a picker or a hoarder? And Ryan definitely said this was definitely a hoarder because they
It
collect
was
just
a
about
woman that was a
everything.
hoarder.
Oh, it was a woman that was a hoarder? Ah, that's interesting. Really interesting.
Yo. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the original.
What? Hold on, let's take a look. Make my way.
Still in the freaking packaging.
Can I see that again? Can you shine it? Oh my god, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Dude, that's awesome. Whoa, look at all the songs. That's sick. Flip it around. Oh, snap. You know, I wish I was around and just seen records in stores, but I don't think I was ever in that time.
Yeah, you can still buy them. Bands started making records again.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, so, because it was like kind of.
That's a good antique thing.
Yeah, if you were really big into a band, you would go out and buy one of the records. You can still do it. Like I have a Blink 182 record.
You have a Blink 182? Dude,
Yeah.
that's OG. That's awesome, dude. I freaking love Blink 182. You guys listen to Blink 182 and actually dig the band? Let me know in the comments. You'll get a shout from me or Ryan. Oh, I'm thinking of starting to connect dots together. So what I think is, as each of the people passed away who lived in this house, there was just one person remaining. Can you imagine living in this house and just being the only one living in here? Because all your people that you used to live with just passed away? That's what I was thinking that possibly happened, because we do know that other people lived in here. But the amount of beds that they have, and with the Polaroids that we've seen, things started getting clicked together. It's pretty, it's almost like a puzzle, like a solving game. I should become a detective. Maybe, maybe not.
These preserves are still in the jar.
Dude, yeah, I was wondering what that was.
They're preserves and they're gross.
Oh, shoot. So what do you mean by preserves? Like, I never...
So, like, what people do, when you're like a farmer or something like that,
Right.
you'll put, ow, fuck. You'll put, cut up fruits and vegetables, and it's like pickling. It's
Oh.
like pickles, but you do it with other types of foods. So
I guess that finally makes sense. I was looking at this earlier trying to figure it out.
yeah, it's like grandma's preserves. That's what this is.
Oh, okay. You think that's probably to like give a good scent?
What?
You think it's for like getting a good scent or something?
It's for consumption.
Oh.
It's just it's like pickles.
Oh, okay, okay. This is really interesting. And like you can definitely tell more about this place and how old it is, considering the fact that like I was pointing this out earlier, both of these cars, this is a car I just seen right now, but this car and that car, really old models. And then you have this. So this is the house from the outside. Just look how freaky it looks. It's so unfortunate. Look how overgrown it is. You can't even walk. Can't even walk back here. Alright. So according to Ryan, the back door, like this blue car door opens up. We're gonna go take a look inside this right now. You definitely gotta watch out for nails when you come out in these places. Alright. Whoa. Look at this. A vintage. Really old and very vintage like. Wow, that's crazy. Take a look at this. What's in the back? So this is definitely their garage. A lot of old mechanical like things. Interesting. It's so unfortunate. I wonder how this place was if I look back at this maybe 3 years ago, maybe 5, maybe this whole roof was still standing. I don't know. I don't know. Really old property just found right here. Surprised no one even noticed it. Huh. It really caught my attention just coming out here to check this place out. It really just caught my attention. So unfortunate. I wonder how big the freaking garage stood too.